Let's see how to create this cool glowing text animation using my free preset and simple 3D camera style movement. Take a screenshot of the website to place the text in motion on. Add my free text T preset. You can download it from the link in the description. It will apply a typewriter effect to your text. You can adjust the motion style in the graph editor however you like. Duplicate the text layer. Change its color. Pick any color you like. Add the deep glow effect. Turn off required for text. Select the shape tool. Make sure fill is enabled and stroke is disabled. Create a shape like this that covers the whole text except the last word. Add a Gaussian blur to the shape layer. Turn off repeat edge pixels. Set the blurriness to 200. Add a position keyframe here, aligned with the last keyframe of the text layer. Move it back so it starts from the same first point as the text layer. Click on Toggle Switches. Set the text layer to use the shape layer as a mat. Then invert the mat. Select the text layer keyframes. Go to Ease Copy. Click Copy. Select the shape layer keyframes. Click Ease. As you can see, the shape layer graph now matches the text layer. Now I'll create the basic 3D motion. You can follow my steps or adjust it however you like. If you want to understand the basic 3D effect in detail, I've already explained it in another video. Link in the description.